It's a Supreme Court ruling that could impact the entire country. And it all started 50 years ago here in the Lone Star State. Thanks for staying up late with us for News West 9 at 10. I'm Tatum Gwynn. You've probably already heard about that leaked Supreme Court draft that hopes to overturn the 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling. This Supreme Court decision will change the laws in many states regarding abortion. But what could happen here in Texas? We've already got some of the most strict abortion laws in the nation. The heartbeat law bans abortions after the 6-week mark. If Roe v. Wade is overturned, it could mean a complete abortion ban altogether. Rachel Robinson joins us to break it all down. She talked to both pro-life and pro-choice groups and even a local lawmaker about what changes overturned Roe v. Wade could bring to Texas. Rachel, what could we expect?
Yeah, Tatum, it is a very controversial topic that's on everybody's mind right now. And understandably, there's a lot of different opinions out there. If the Supreme Court rules this leaked draft is official, you could see new laws go into effect in Texas, and a lot sooner than you might think. The leaked draft about the Supreme Court decision to overturn Roe v. Wade has people and politicians on both sides of the issue speaking out.
This is a backside for human rights. Every single person in Texas knows and loves someone who's had an abortion. 1 in 4 Texans who can give birth will have an abortion before they're 45. That is so many of us. This affects all of us. We are all impacted by something that is so extreme, with no exceptions for rape or incest, no exceptions for any stage of pregnancy.
I obviously support overturning Roe v. Wade. I've been very vocal about that. 62 million babies have perished in the last 50 years as a result of this decision that was made in 1973.
If Roe v. Wade is overturned, we could see almost immediate repercussions here for Texas laws. New legislation could go into effect in just a month's time.
Texas has a trigger law on the books that was passed in 2021, which means that 30 days after a decision is formally leaked, our law will go into effect and all abortion at any stage of pregnancy will be criminalized in the state of Texas.
It could be months until a decision is formal, so nothing will change right now. But when it does, there will be varying consequences.
When you look at the 62 million babies who have lost their life, I mean, right now, the Speaker of the House is in favor of late-term abortions up to and including at the moment of birth. And this is just incredible to think that we are one of 8 countries worldwide who fully sanction that practice, one of 8 countries. And that puts us in the category with countries like North Korea and like the Communist Party of China. And this is unacceptable.
Abortion has existed as long as pregnancy has existed because people have always needed to terminate pregnancies for a myriad of health and personal reasons. It is not possible to stop abortions. It is only possible to make the process of accessing abortion harder and scarier and sometimes more dangerous.
In the event that the Roe v. Wade ruling is overturned, abortion laws will be left in the hands of the state. As for here in Texas, trigger laws would make all abortions illegal across the state just 30 days after the Supreme Court ruling. Tatum, back to you.